You can go narrow, you can go broad. So on the geographic part, you can see different ways of doing it. We have international clients, and some of them need to segment by country because of language purposes. So someone who speaks French should not be getting an email in Spanish, for example. Age could be part of it. The demographic, are they married or not married? What kind of job they're in? I particularly find behaviors and actions very helpful, especially because Constant Contact has some specific tools, which we'll get into in just a moment, but really allows you to segment people based on how they're interacting and behaving with your emails. There are even some very special automatic features within the Constant Contact system that lets you know which people on the email list are interacting in certain ways with each email.